Hi, everybody. I'm Andrea Loretangeli with the Donnelly Group, and I'm here today with David Ratti of Envoy Mortgage. David's one of the preferred lenders for our team, and today we just wanted to talk a little bit and share with you what's happening on the lending side of the world right now. So, David, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Oh, thanks for being here. I know you're crazy busy right now, but we appreciate you being here and filling everybody in. So, what's happening on the lending side of the world these days?
Well, 2020 has been an exciting year, that's for sure. So I can share a couple of things that might help the audience when it comes to mortgage. First of all, mortgage rates. I've been in the mortgage business for 30 years. We are looking at the lowest rates in the history of planet Earth.
Wow.
Mortgage rates down into the twos without trying too hard. The other thing that's going on, because rates are so good, a lot of people are buying homes. A lot of people are refinancing. It has caused a capacity issue in the industry. Remember, not just the lending industry, but appraisers and title companies and everybody related to it are all work displaced. They're all working from home. Yep. But we have a capacity right now of about 200 to 250% of our actual capacity. That's how the volume is. So eyes wide open. You want to go into the real estate market knowing exactly what is the environment in the market. And if you're a buyer, it's very competitive.
Yep.
So I know you have strategies to help buyers win contracts when there's other offers. It's really important to align yourself with people that know what they're doing.
Yep, I think now more than ever, that's especially true from the pre-qualification on. What are you finding most challenging?
Well, it's really expectations, and we try to be as transparent as possible. The capacity issues are real. It's not that your individual mortgage takes longer. It's just that the 40,000 people in front of you weren't there last year. So to be fully transparent, your expectations should be that it's going to take longer to get a loan through the system. Just to get the title work, get the abstract back takes longer. Everything is taking longer. So it's just being prepared and understanding what is really happening during this pandemic. It truly is the perfect storm. A purchase boom, a refinance boom, and a work displaced industry.
Yep. So what would you say average wise, what should buyers be looking at if they do purchase a home today? What kind of turnaround time should they be asking for?
I would think they want at least 30 to 45 days for a settlement date. I think if they go shorter than 30 days, all good intentions aside, the reality is the experience will be disappointing for the buyer.
Yep. And in all fairness to the lending side, across the board, everything in the real estate industry is stressed. So for example, getting home inspections, chimney inspectors, anything you need as far as the transaction goes from contract to close, everybody's stressed down the line. So, that it might take we can get a home inspector in a couple of days. It might take us 10 or 14 days to get somebody out there. So it's snowballing everywhere in the industry. So it is advisable to allow a little bit of time, for your lender as well. And I don't think that's out of the question. I think that's actually pretty good. I've had a couple buyers that went with some other lenders that told them 60 days at a minimum. So sellers don't like to hear that. So 30 to 45 is very fair, I think, and quick.
30 to 45. We have a great team. The support staff is working 6-day weeks, long days trying to accommodate and help everybody because it's really a rare opportunity to be able to purchase a home where the cost of money is so low. So we want to help support everybody that is trying to take advantage of that.
Yeah, and one thing I wanted to give a shout out, tell us about your e-closing product, because I think that's really unique to your group and you do a great job with it.
Thank you. Yeah, we call it the totally touchless mortgage, sort of like a totally touchless car wash. So you can apply through video call or online. Everything is e-signed through for the documentation. And then our settlements, where normally you have 8 people in a room for an hour, our settlements are e-closes. So to protect everybody involved in the transaction, 90% of the documents are e-signed. from the safety of their own home. And it's just notary documents.
Yep, making it fast and safe. So, well, David, hey, listen, we appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to visit with us here today. Dave Ratti with Envoy Mortgage, he does a great job and professional, and we love him. So if you're in need of getting a pre-qualification or a refi or anything financial, you can reach him at the contact information below. So thanks for joining us today. We look forward to seeing everybody in the next few weeks with our next video. Have a great day.